BINI. I haven't checked out this music video. I know I checked out the. I think you guys sent me the other one, Pan Tropico performance video. I just don't know where I put that, or I definitely recorded, but I don't know where I put that. But I haven't seen this one, so this is a Filipino pop group. Let's check it out. Thank you much for subscribing, by the way. I know my friend Rice Masa loves Mika. I think if she still has the red hair, I know she has red hair. Oh, does she have purple eyes? Oh, okay, graphics. Okay, English, let's go. I mean, Filipinos. Ooh, oh, their makeup's on point, my god. Hey. Oh, magical mirror. Ooh. Oh, their outfits kind of remind me of like, what is that called? Oh, there's a brand that the way that her vest looks like. This like, was it limited to? Maybe I forget. Oh, salamin means mirror, mirror. Ah. Oh, that's pretty catchy. Hey. Ooh, with the mirror shot. Oh, oh. Oh no. Okay, Miss Mel. Bro, that hat with her hair and her makeup is fire. Ooh, okay, eyes. Ooh, their outfits are very colorful, at least in this music video. Okay, vocal. Ooh. Well, now he admitted his true views. I don't know, girl, where he gonna admit it? Oh, that part's really catchy. Oh yeah, that mirror shot's kind of crazy too. I like that. Okay, makeup. Oh, they're literally setting up their photo shoot. Oh, I think this is who my friend buys this. Ooh. Oh shit. What the fuck? I didn't know you gonna pop up like that. Mmm. Ooh. I'm ready to be called the princess. Hey, hey. Oh, the amount of bows on her head. Oh shit. Are we breaking down? Dance break again? Ah. What the hell? Wait, what? Rewind. Bro, her eye makeup is crazy. I love it. Hey, 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 hey. Salami, salami, salami. Hey, listen, I know even being half Filipino, I still didn't work in my Tagalog. I'm learning through y'all. Salamin, salamin. Ooh. Oh, look at that hang. Sorry. Like, again, I'd be concentrating on the most weirdest thing. That pearl hanger. What? Are they just sending it? They sent. Oh, that's some. Oh, I thought the butterfly was going to close it. That'd be crazy. BINI. I don't know why it took me this long to check out BINI Salamin Salamin. Because this has been out like 3 months ago. Right? Damn, 25 million views. The other one that I checked out a while back has 38 million. Oh my god. But I have checked this out already. I think y'all recommended this in like K-pop and chill. Some other effing vibe though. More summery vibe too. Pantropico performance video. Oh, that's the same girl, right? With the... I could be tripping though. I could be tripping. Damn, their makeup really be on point. I really don't know the members as of yet, like by name, just of yet. I know Mika because my friend keeps on talking about her. But other than that, yeah. Johanna. Oh, they're mad young. Oh my god. 2004. Let's go, Miss Ma'am. Damn, the outfit's kind of crazy though. Aya? Mariah. I'm guessing. Oh, no. And then in 2001, okay. They're still mad young though. Aw, adorable. Colette. Oh, because her name's Nicolette. Colette. Maloy. Oh, she's the one with the bows. That's right. I love you, Dre. Hey, thanks for following. Appreciate you. Maloy. She's dope. What's it? Gwen? She's a rapper. Yeah, she killed it. Gemini, let's go. Gwyneth. Okay. I think her outfit was so fire. There's Stacy. Okay. Lead dancer. Mika. She's the main rapper. Lava Red. Oh, they already have their own Instagrams too. Oh shit. Sheena. Ooh, let's go Sheena. Katakutan. Ooh, okay, that's an interesting last name. Youngest of Bunso. Okay. There's how many members are these actually? Let me double check. Oh, the group comes from the Filipino word bini, which means young lady. I see. So BINI is young lady in general. Oh, their pre-debut single is called The Coconut. And then debuts with another single, Born to Win. I see. Oh, shit. So there's been other stuff before that, too. I see. Shout out to BINI. What's happening here? What?
Itsura ko. Wow! Thank you po! No, kill it! Sabihin mo pa,
No, pilit.
damdamin, hayaan na lang tumipok ang puso mo.
Hey!
Para sa akin.
Online confession.
Okay, may nagsabi, bading po ako. Girl sing. Okay,
Nung bata pa kasi kami, ito favorite namin to ni Ate Maloy, American yoga kasi may
What is your favorite yoga pose?
This one. Okay, do it. How about you?
Mine is this.
Wow, the effort. I love it.
Yeah.
Not the effort.
Bago kami matulog kasi kinakwentuhan kami ng mom.
Yeah.
Ng yoga book.
Yoga
This
book.
yoga book?
Actually, ang dami talaga namin doon natutulog. Tapos, naiyak ako.
Sabi na miss ko siya eh.
Anyways, bye!
Okay. Meow. Oh Lord. I didn't expect that. I thought it would be cute. But that was the most realistic. Wait.
Bye!
Is Stacy the bias? Yep. Amazing. 10 out of 10. Oh no, they delirious, y'all. Did they sleep or is this how they are? Whoa! That's so much energy, bro. That's way so much. There's so much energy right now. Sheena snatching Bloom's phone.
Run.
Sige, tawa lang ng tawa. Ha ha ha, ako pa ba ay nakikita? Nalilimutan ko ang itsura ko. Kapag kausap na ikaw, sana naman ako kakinggan. At nang ikaw ay malinawan, dahil nabihag mo ang aking hangin at damdamin. Oh, Chinito.
Okay. Interesting.
Chinito.
After this, we're gonna watch it and hype in one though. Oh, lacking.
See, I got you liking me. Everybody in the world, it's just you and me. And I won't stop until the world until you stop in loving me. And I know I don't care you, but you're gonna love me.
What the?
Tawa naman tawa, di naman narinig. Tawa kayo ng tawa, bakit? Gusto niyo ba mag-asawa?
Damn.
O, itik ko mang bibig mo para...
Wait, what? Can you see it? Oh shit! Not the whole couch. Bro, the fact that they were all sitting up on the top and then everybody, that's the weight. Are you fucking kidding me? Damn, that's kind of dangerous though. No, I'm glad they're safe though. Oh my god. What's up, Tifa? The couch gave up. The couch definitely gave up. They have so much energy. I love it. Orange Sheena versus Bloom.
Gus, bago yan pasin yung orange. Gus, bago yan pasin yung orange.
Huwag niyo pansinin.
Paano hindi mo papansin?
Huwag na kasing pansinin. Isipin niyo na, ganyan talaga yung tsura ko in real life.
But like same, I would do the same exact thing. I was a potato.
Bilog naman yung mukha niyo na. Hindi ba ako mukha normal?
Is Blooms their fandom name? Is that?
Ang lapit kasi, babe. Kaya wala na?
Is she a real one? JR. Joanna randomness. What the fuck? Thank you for sharing that, Debs. Appreciate you. Blooms is the fandom. That's what I expected. Yeah, Bloom is the BINI fandom. That's what I thought. Because I was like, who's Blooms? I thought it was a member this whole time. And I was like, damn, who she squaring up with?